10 gifts you should never accept from anyone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into fascinating and sometimes spooky topic gifts you should never accept from anyone. That's right, even though gifts are usually thoughtful and nice, some come with hidden meanings or even bad luck. You might want to think twice before accepting these. In this video, we'll go over 10 specific types of gifts that you should be cautious about accepting. Some of them may surprise you. Let's get started. Sharp objects such as knives, scissors, etc. First up, sharp objects like knives or scissors. While they may seem practical, in many cultures they symbolize the cutting of a relationship literally and figuratively. Sharp objects are meant to cut, and accepting them as a gift can mean the cutting of ties between you and the giver. To avoid this, some traditions suggest giving a coin in return to buy the item and break the bad luck. 2. Mirrors. Mirrors are next on the list. While they make for lovely decor, mirrors have long been associated with bad luck and negative energy. In ancient traditions, mirrors were believed to be portals between the physical and spiritual worlds. Especially with antique mirrors, it's said that they can hold on to past events or negative energy. Some even believe that they can trap souls. If someone gives you a mirror, you might want to think about what else comes with it. 3. Handkerchiefs. Gift number 3. Handkerchiefs. They're commonly seen as symbols of tears and sorrow. In many cultures, giving or receiving a handkerchief is believed to invite sadness or grief into your life. It's said that handkerchiefs are used to wipe away tears, so giving one can symbolize future crying. So unless you're into symbols of sorrow, it might be best to avoid this one. 4. Shoes. Shoes are another surprising gift to watch out for. According to superstition, accepting shoes can mean that the recipient will walk away from you in the future. In some cultures, it's believed that shoes represent moving on or walking out of someone's life. If you receive shoes as a gift, you can break the bad luck by giving a small coin in exchange. 5. Empty wallet or purse. Next up, an empty wallet or purse. It's believed that gifting someone an empty wallet can bring financial misfortune or poverty into their life. If you're ever given a wallet or purse as a gift, make sure there's at least some money inside. It symbolizes prosperity and abundance instead of financial hardship. 6. Pearls. Moving on to gift number 6, pearls. Though they are beautiful, pearls are often considered symbols of sorrow and tears. Many cultures believe that pearls resemble tears, and by accepting them as a gift, you're inviting sadness or misfortune into your life. Beautiful, but a little too heavy on the emotional baggage, right? 7. Black clothing. Next is black clothing. While it's stylish and versatile, gifting black clothes is often associated with mourning and grief, especially in cultures where black is worn at funerals. In some places, giving black clothes is seen as inviting sorrow into the recipient's life. While it might seem like a trendy gift, the underlying meaning might make it less appealing. 8. An empty picture frame. Gift number 8. An empty picture frame. You might think a frame is a thoughtful gift, but without a picture inside, it can symbolize emptiness or loneliness. Some believe that giving an empty frame creates a void that invites misfortune or sorrow. So if you ever want to gift a frame, be sure to add a picture to it for a more positive touch. 9. A watch or clock. Watches or clocks may seem like practical gifts, but they come with their own superstitions. In some cultures, giving a timepiece is believed to symbolize the countdown to an ending, whether it's a relationship or something more serious. Particularly in Chinese culture, gifting a clock or watch is considered bad luck because it symbolizes attending a funeral. It's as if you're counting down the recipient's time, definitely something to avoid. 10. A stolen item. Last on the list, never accept a stolen item as a gift. It may seem tempting if the item is valuable, but accepting stolen goods brings serious consequences. Not only are you risking legal trouble, but accepting stolen property is said to bring negative energy and bad karma into your life. It's never worth the risk. And there you have it, 10 gifts you should be careful about accepting. Whether you believe in these superstitions or not, it's always good to be mindful of the energy behind a gift. What do you think? Have you ever received any of these gifts? Did anything strange happen afterward? Share your stories in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Until next time, stay thoughtful and stay cautious. Check out our other videos and subscribe for more fascinating topics.